OATS is installed, we would like to see if OATS has installed properly or not. So these are the three basic things that we will look at. That is, are we able to launch OpenScript? In the Internet Explorer, we should be able to see if the OATS related add-ons have been installed and available and also are enabled or not. We will also create a simple web project and then try to click on record. It should not throw any error. So these are three simple steps which might help us understand that OATS has been installed successfully. Also, remember that we should always start OpenScript with run as administrator option. Otherwise, you might see some instability of the behavior of OpenScript. But with this option, OpenScript works like a charm. Let's get into the verifications. So now you should be having this OpenScript icon, which is also indicating that OATS has been installed and created icon on desktop. Right click and click on Run as Administrator. Sometimes, if you're working in your office, they may not give you administrator privileges, but please reach out to your IT department and make sure that you have the admin rights. Otherwise, you might face some serious problems, especially when working with automation of Oracle EBS applications or even say web applications. In most of the companies, it is like they give you remote desktop, if not your laptop or machine. So it would be more easier for the IT departments to give the admin privileges if you are actually working in the remote desktops. So this is how the OpenScript IDE looks. Now we are able to launch. So the first step is verified. The next step would be checking if we are able to see the add-ons in the Internet Explorer and then if they are enabled or not. So let's go to Internet Explorer. Okay. Now I press go to tools and then manage add-ons. So if you see here, there are two extensions or add-ons that are available. Click on them and you will see that these are actually enabled. In case you see them as disabled, I would recommend to select each of them and you'll have an enable button here. You have to click on the enable button and then these add-ons gets enabled. So I think in this case both of them are enabled, so we are good. And the final step would be to create a new web project in the OpenScript and click on record and see if the recording has started successfully or not. Okay, we will now create a web project. This is the new icon. Select web as as this is a simple verification, and then there are some list of repositories here. I would each repository refers to a specific folder in your machine. I will tell you how we have to create this repository in the later steps. You can give a script name and click on finish. So this will create a default script and here is the button for record. Just click on it. It should launch the Internet Explorer, and if you see here we can see the OpenScript recording icon is displayed on top of the Internet Explorer, which means the recording has started successfully. And this is the third step, which is actually telling you that the OATS has been successfully installed. In the next video, we will look at how we can troubleshoot some of the challenges. We have to first identify what are the challenges. Thank you for watching so far.